Namaskar and welcome to India Meteorological Department. I am Akhil Srivastava, forecaster from National Weather Forecasting Center. I am here to present you the weekly weather status and the weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. If we see the past week, the major features were like monsoon trough was lying south of its normal position till 8th of August. Thereafter, the western end it started shifting northwards. The last week low pressure area over central parts of MP, it moved west northwestwards, crossed across Gujarat and North Arabian Sea and became less marked in the Gulf of Oman. The another low pressure area also formed around 9th August over northwest Bay of Bengal and moved in the west northwest direction and it became less marked over northwest MP. The last week monsoon condition over Arabian Sea with 50 to 60 km per hour, it continued till 8th and weekend thereafter. The Bay of Bengal became active from 9th August onwards. If we see the observed cloud and rainfall during 6th to 12th August 2020, we see that the major amount of rainfall was occurring over the west coast, that is in the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and the interior Karnataka districts. Also, these are the last extreme rainfall condition. The rainfall recorded on 6th August in south interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The southwest monsoon became active over northwest India during last 2 days. And the major amount of rainfall was recorded in Uttarakhand, that is in Haldwani, that is 21 cm, and we also received 9 cm approximate rainfall in Delhi in past 24 hours. If we see the rainfall during past 2 weeks and we see a comparative figures, we see that the week between 30th July to 5th of August and the week from 6th August to 12th August, we see a major increase in the rainfall activity. The major area which was deficient in the first week, that deficiency has been improved, particularly in the central India, Rajasthan and the adjoining areas. So the deficient to less deficient subdivisions, they have reduced from 23 from past week to 12 in the current week, and also the access to large access subdivision, they increased from 5 to 15 in the current week. If we see the seasonal, that is from the 1st of June to 12th of August, the rainfall statistics of entire country, for all India level, we are in the 1% excess category. That is a normal rainfall over the entire country. If you see the departure wise, like for the past 3 weeks, we see that we were in the red figures. That is, we were having the deficient rainfall all over the country. However, in this particular week, we had got the excess rainfall, which has covered a lot of deficiency, particularly in the central India and the west coast. Now, if we see the other homogeneous regions in India, the northwest India, it is having still minus 21% rainfall deficiency, which we are expecting will be covered in the coming weeks. As of today, 30 of the 36 subdivisions, they got normal to excess rainfall, with the 10 having access to large excess rainfall. If we see the today's condition, so the monsoon trough is active and it lies near to its normal position. Low pressure area is formed over north coastal Odisha, and there is a convergence of wind and moisture over northwest and central India. During past 24 hours, we have observed extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, very heavy rainfall at isolated places over East Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Konkan and Goa and Telangana. Heavy rainfall was also recorded in Uttarakhand, East Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and West Bengal and Sikkim. This is the IMD GFS based forecast of rainfall and 850 HPA winds. It is showing the rainfall pattern for the next 7 days. If we see that there is a increase in rainfall activity around your coastal belt, that is Odisha, this is due to a low pressure area which we have already mentioned today, and there is also increase in activity in the west coast, particularly in Gujarat and Rajasthan area. This is due to the convergence of southwesterly winds, they are moist winds from the Arabian Sea and their confluence with the monsoon trough. This is the extended range rainfall forecast for next 2 weeks. If we see the rainfall and the anomaly, we can just see that the rainfall in most parts of the country is going to be normal to above normal, except few regions in the east and northeast India, and during first week in some areas on the south peninsular India. The forecast summary for first week, that is from 13th to 19th August, the low pressure area which has formed over coastal Odisha, it is expected to move west-northwestward to North Madhya Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days, and we are also expecting a new low pressure area to form over northwest Bay of Bengal on 19th August. The monsoon trough is likely to shift southwards and to remain active. The convergence of strong southwesterly winds from Arabian Sea and easterlies from Bay of Bengal at lower levels, this is very likely to continue over northwest and central India, and it's expected that it will keep the monsoon in the active status with above normal rainfall activity over central India, northern parts of south peninsular India, and most parts of the northwest India. We are also providing the heavy to very heavy rainfall warning, that is over isolated places over Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, East Rajasthan, and parts of central India during most parts of the week. And also isolated extremely heavy rainfall are likely over Gujarat and East Rajasthan during next 2 to 3 days. So we can expect that the Rajasthan, and that is the South Rajasthan and the Gujarat region, they are expected to receive very heavy rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall in next 2 to 3 days. So adequate precautions and measures have to be taken by the public at large. Now the heavy, and there are also chances of heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places, very likely over parts of northwest India, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana during half of the week, and it is likely to decrease thereafter. Okay, and if we look into the forecast summary for the week 2, that is from 20th August to 26th August, we see that the low pressure area which is expected to form over North Bay of Bengal around 19th, it is likely to move west-northwestwards during the first half of the week. The monsoon trough is also likely to remain active and positioned near to its normal position during the most parts of the week. Rainfall activity is likely to be normal to above normal for most parts of the country except some areas of the northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Bihar, where it is likely to be below normal. Therefore, if we see the overall situation, the currently above normal rainfall activity for the country will continue to remain above normal for next 2 weeks. And this is also good news for the farmers that they will be having good amount of rainfall. It will be good for the reserves also. As a country, it is a good news. However, there are associated dangers which are like flood situation and inundation in the low-lying areas. So adequate measures and precautions have to be taken for the same. Thank you very much. Namaskar.